I am the CTO of GFX International. My name is Willem Nieuwboer. I have been working here for about 4 years, and we are actively using activeCollab to manage our projects. I think it's about 2 years ago that we actively started, I use the word active as in activeCollab as well, but we started using activeCollab, and I think what we liked the most about it was the simplicity and the cleanliness, the user interface. It's pleasant to deal with, and the users took to it fairly easily. I think the most obvious reason to use appsmagnet products was that I really liked the finishing touches. They're very well designed. They're very well thought out. And when our users use them, they usually immediately increase their efficiency. Yes, I would say that using the appsmagnet products have helped a lot of the users come on board in using the system. Even as simple as Tickets Plus, that really helped us to organize the tickets better. We have lots and lots of tickets. There's projects with over 300 tickets in them. They're constantly revolving, and not having the original capabilities of organizing, labeling, and doing things like that really kept a lot of people from using the system directly. And that really changed the adoption rate here within the company. Yes, managing projects, I think the hardest thing is, again, like people have a hard time initially getting into any project management system. It's a little hard to figure out how to use it. People quickly think, this is cumbersome, why do I have to do extra work? And what they don't really see quite is the benefits yet. And so the hardest thing to figure out is how can you keep it simple to start with. And what I've decided after a few mistrials, people say, well, this is too much, I can't handle this, this is why, and all these different tabs and all these different possibilities, and I'm not really a project manager, why do I have to know all this stuff? I started realizing that really very simple start with just starting with discussions and tickets and not getting into anything else is a really good start for most of the users. Once they get used to sort of interacting with the system, they start asking for things themselves, and then you can start opening it up slowly for additional functionality. I think one of the advantages of having somebody from the outside coming in and do training is that users typically have more of a regard for the details. They see it, they want to have respect for the person coming in and training them. And on one hand, they already have the respect because they know the tools that company, in this case appsmagnet, has provided. So there's a positive for one. The second one is that they really want to now learn how to use them better. So this is the perfect person to come teach them how to do that. And I think that that type of opportunity is very important. I could not do that myself. Mm-hmm. I'm looking forward to the future to see how appsmagnet is continuing to tweak it, add maybe other functionality. I think the approach, the understanding of the users is excellent. And also that it continues to be more of a collaborative system, that it's adding to actually bringing people together within the organization to be better in communicating together and resolving issues quicker and more efficient.